Friends, families, and future clients, I'm Broker Nick. Kasing init ng panahon ngayon, itong i-discuss ko na house and lot property here in Centrina in Alaminos, Laguna. I'm here to feature Raya Model. Ayan. Raya Model sits on a minimum lot size of 121 square meters and a usable floor area of 107 square meters. Yan, it has 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, meron ka pong carport, and a complete interior finish. Ayan, so I'm here to discuss muna yung exterior part. Ayan, so you're looking right now dito sa ating very spacious na carport. Ayan, kasyang-kasya ang isang SUV. Okay? Going sa pasad ng bahay, makikita nyo po. Ayan, so yan po yung back area. It's a single attached unit. Yan, sa exterior part. Yan, makikita nyo po. Very modern Asian and design. Yan, ang roofing po natin is GI rib type. Complete na po yan. Then, marami po tayong mga sliding windows. Yan, painted na rin po ang exteriors natin. Then, going here, wooden and door. Complete na rin po kasama yung door jamb. Ayan. So, welcome po dito sa loob ni Raya Model. Ayan. So, this is the complete interior deliverables ni Raya Model. Okay. So, going here, this is the kitchen. So, with splashboard, ceramic na rin po ang finish niya, including na rin po yung mga cabinets niya. Okay. We have this sliding door going to our lanay. Provision for lanay. Okay. Then, ang good thing is, meron po tayong small room dito sa first floor. Ayan. So, you can make it either a maid's room o kaya a mini office. Or sometimes, it can be the room of our elders. Ayan, sila lolo at lola. Ayan. Okay? So, going here is our first toilet and bath. Okay, standard po, meron tayong mga additional space na pwede nating ma-utilize. Ayan, for our mga small things. Okay, this is your dining area. Okay, so living area. Then let's go sa ating second floor. Makikita niya rin po, ceiling height approximately 2.5 meters. Okay, going here sa ating stairs, steel railings, then concrete po ang ating stairs with wooden planks. Ayan. Then high ceiling po, going sa ating stairs. Ayan. Here in our second floor, ang flooring po natin is vinyl finish. Okay. Then, as you can see, here is our second bathroom. Complete bathroom accessories. First bedroom, actually second na. Second bedroom, isa po yung bedroom sa baba. Second bedroom, ayan, may natural lighting, spacious. Then, here is our third bedroom. Ayan, it depends po sa kung ano yung gusto nyo maging design ng room nyo. But this is a complete finish. Okay? So, then, last is our master's bedroom. Yan. Na meron po siyang kasamang toilet and bath. So, napakalaki po ng natural lighting natin. Ayan. Then, we have here our balcony that I forgot to mention earlier. So, meron po rin po siyang balcony. Ayan. So, summertime, napakainit, pero sobrang hot din ng property na to. Ayan. So, this is value for money. Very affordable to. So, feel free to contact me para ma-discuss ko sa inyo yung details furthermore. Okay? Thank you for watching.